Yesterday, you got to know why you want to start a side project and you did that by yourself. You explored on your own. So, congrats for that. So, now we will know what exactly you can start as a side project. So, you will need two things. First of all, your skills, and secondly, your interest. So, let's combine these two things and let's see what can be the possibilities for you to start a side project. Now, if you ask me, my first side project was a tech blog because I was interested in tech, and secondly, I used to write. So I just clubbed them both and started writing blogs on tech products. You can do many things, like you can code apps for restaurants, or maybe bake cakes for kids, or do interior designs for young couples, or provide cybersecurity services to some startups, or maybe package some mangoes from your farm and just sell in metro cities, or maybe arrange treks for corporates. You can just explore and the limits are endless. So today's action item for you is to let me know what exactly your skills are and what your interests are, and we will explore what exactly you can do. You can start as a side project.